It's BitGo. The crypto custodian confidentially filed IPO documents to the SEC following crypto ETF issuer Grayscale, which did the same last week. BitGo said the number of offered shares and price range are yet to be determined. The move comes amid regulatory advancements for crypto in the U.S. after President Trump last week signed the Genius Act into law, regulating stablecoins. Next, Goldman Sachs and the Bank of New York Mellon are teaming up to offer institutional investors access to tokenized money market funds. BNY is the world's largest custody bank. It'll employ blockchain technology developed by Goldman to record customers' ownership of select money market funds. The idea is to have real-time settlement, 24/7 market access, and more. BNY's global head of liquidity, financing, and collateral said the bank is, quote, proud to be at the forefront of this first-of-its-kind initiative. Goldman's global head of digital assets said the technology could enable the bank to unlock the token's utility as a form of collateral and open up more seamless transferability in the future. The initiative includes participation from big names on Wall Street, including BlackRock and Fidelity. He's asked where he stands on potentially allowing clients to have the option to get in on stablecoins and crypto, especially as other banks announce partnerships with crypto firms.
When you think about stablecoin, there's really a few things. There's the institutional piece, which will be the equivalent like prime brokerage. That will be dominated by a single handful of international banks, the huge volume, relatively narrow margins. That's not really an opportunity or a challenge for us. The next is as a storer of value. And clearly, to the extent, Sarah, that our clients want it and they want to hold it in their wallets, we will accommodate that. And so we'll be sure to do that. Then there's the sort of discussion around, is it going to cannibalize deposits at banks? I actually think that's a fair, I think it's a threat, but I don't think it's an immediate threat. And I think the industry will respond. I mean, whether it's with tokenized deposits, which I think you'll see banks like Key do, and you may well see, I don't envision Key issuing a coin per se, but I could see us as part of a consortium of banks that issues a coin. And then I think the two best applications are really international payments. Right now, international payments are sort of this Byzantine approach of, all these correspondent banks. It takes a long time. There's a lot of friction. I think stable coins could be a really good solution for our clients. It could be faster, cheaper, better. And then last is just programmable payments, which every bank needs to do, whether it's escrows or other programmable payments. So I'm actually, particularly on those last two applications, I'm pretty enthusiastic.